Hi there. So this video is a trade updates of all the trades that I made last week, uh, which expired or I got assigned. So let's take a look at all the trades, how it ended, and what's my plan for the next week. Before we proceed, this is not investment advice. This is just for general education purposes only. Options involve risk and you could lose money. I'm not licensed or registered. Please consult an investment advisor before you take any action. So, one of the trades that I made was a secured put on Bitminer. As you know, Bitminer is a crypto stock, very volatile, but good premiums because of that. And I had a secured put, 4 contracts at a strike price of 28. I got lucky because it traded up to 32, 33, and it ended on Friday around 30. They have earnings coming up next week, so I will not be doing any trades around earnings. I generally don't. I might buy a couple of contracts just as speculation uh, around earnings, but I do not sell around earnings. So this one ended quite nicely for me. I was able to keep the $800 because it expired worthless. It was out of the money. I'll I'll put all the video links for you to look at all the trades that we are going to mention so that you can go and take a look at what the original thesis for the trade was. Why on this particular stock like Bitminer or Nvidia or any of the ones that we are going to talk about. So this one went good for me, pocketed the $800. Let's take a look at the next one. Atlassian, ticker TEAM. So this one went against me. So the strike price was 155. I sometimes sell monthly, but this time I chose weekly. And my cost basis, which is strike price minus the premium that you receive, is around, let's round it, 152. It actually closed quite way below at 145. And the plan next week is if it goes up, I'll repeat the trade. If not, wait patiently. So this is an example of how we manage whatever we get assigned. Remember, the original thesis has to be strong. Am I comfortable holding the stock if I am assigned? And in this case, I am. This stock is quite volatile. It goes between 145 and 165 quite violently, and it's been doing so for the last 6 months. I have been trading it for 6 months and was able to profit quite a bit from this stock because it gives good premiums because of the volatility, and it kind of is range bound for now. There's nothing to suggest that it might not go down to 100 or it might go up to 300. Who knows? But that's been the behavior of the stock for the last 6 months. And fundamental valuation suggests that I am comfortable holding the stock at this price. It's not a cheap stock. It's above a 30 PE, but they have quite good products. And like I said, all the videos citing the fundamental thesis for all the stocks and the trades, you can look at the videos below for each of these trades. Let's look at the next one, Novo Nordisk. So this one, again, I got quite lucky. Novo actually has gone up almost to $60. So this one expired out of the money, and I get to keep, again, the $800 profit. Again, this has been a range-bound stock between 45 and 50 for the last 6 months. I was able to profit from it. About a month back, their oral pill for weight loss got approved by the FDA, and the stock actually went from 49 to 53. I was able to actually sell the stock, not options, and get some good profit. And I put this trade after that, okay, because it came down from after hitting about 54, came down to 51, and now it has gone up to 60. So I will not be doing any more Novo Nordisk trades till it comes back to these same levels, which I think is quite attractive for a 11 forward PE stock, which is one of the two world leaders in weight loss drugs. In addition to having a world-class diabetes insulin franchise. The next stock is NVIDIA. So this one I sold for a strike price of $187.50. I collected a premium of $4. That makes my cost base is around $183.50. And it's trading around the same range because the markets are going to open lower on Monday. I'm recording this on Sunday evening around 10:30 p.m. So it is trading for my cost